In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hubspot integration with QuickBooks Online, a powerful combination that can streamline your business operations, enhance your marketing efforts, and provide seamless financial data syncing. This process will make managing your contacts and finances more efficient, ultimately saving you time and reducing errors. To get started, make sure you've logged into your Hubspot account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to use your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're comfortably inside your Hubspot account, our first destination will be the trial guide. Now, you might wonder why we're heading there first. The trial guide is essentially your treasure map in HubSpot, offering a comprehensive list of resources and useful strategies that are tailored to kick off your form-building process. It's an invaluable starting point that sets the stage for a smooth integration process. After familiarizing yourself with the resources in the trial guide, head back to your homepage. Once you're there, look for the Marketplace icon. This is where you'll find a variety of apps and integrations that can extend the capabilities of your HubSpot experience. In the Marketplace, navigate to the search bar and type in QuickBooks. This action will bring up the necessary tools to merge your HubSpot account with QuickBooks Online. Once you've located QuickBooks in the search results, go ahead and click on the Install button. Don't worry, this step is straightforward and HubSpot will guide you through the process. What happens next is crucial as it involves connecting your QuickBooks account to HubSpot. With the install process initiated, you'll be prompted to input your QuickBooks Online credentials. This is a secure process designed to link your data safely between the two platforms. Ensure you follow each prompt and instruction on your screen carefully. These prompts are designed to make this integration as seamless as possible and will involve granting necessary permissions for HubSpot to access certain data from QuickBooks. While you're completing these steps, it's important to remember that once the setup is in place, the integration will begin to sync and pull relevant data. This means your contacts and financial information will start reflecting on both HubSpot and QuickBooks, allowing for easy access and management. By the end of these steps, you'll have successfully integrated HubSpot with QuickBooks Online, paving the way for more synchronized operations. This integration ensures that your data flows harmoniously across your sales and finance platforms, giving you a comprehensive view of your business health. So go ahead and explore the added efficiencies this brings to your operations. Happy integrating!